Imagine a world where sustainability is not just a buzzword, but a daily practice. Picture a 2024 where sustainability trends are the gears shifting the course of industries worldwide. Intrigued? Let's delve into the future of sustainability. Sustainability, a concept that holds the key to our future. It's not just about protecting the environment. It's about living and working prosperously, while also safeguarding and enhancing the conditions that support life on Earth. It's a vision that shapes societies and industries alike. But what challenges do we face on this journey towards sustainability? We are at a crossroads. We are grappling with a series of environmental challenges that threaten our very existence. Climate change is accelerating at an alarming rate, with rising temperatures, severe weather events, and shifting wildlife populations. Meanwhile, our natural resources are dwindling. Water scarcity, deforestation, and wasting valuable materials are just a few examples of the pressing issues we face. These problems are not insurmountable, but they do require a significant shift in our approach. We need to rethink how and what we produce, use, and consume, how we power our homes and cities, and how we manage products and materials at the end of their use period. Sustainability is no longer an option, it's a necessity. It's about ensuring the conditions for life today and for generations to come. So how can we address these challenges? The answer lies in the sustainability trends of 2024. These top 5 trends are set to revolutionize industries worldwide, and they could be the key to a more sustainable future. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 sustainability trends for 2024. These trends are not just buzzwords, they are the revolutionaries set to redefine our industries and our lives. First on our list is the focus on toxic materials. As we move forward, industries are becoming more aware of the harmful effects of certain materials. There's a growing trend towards using non-toxic, biodegradable, or safely reusable materials in product design. This trend is not only beneficial for the environment, but also for human and environmental health. The second trend is new economics. Traditional economic models often overlook environmental costs. However, the trend towards new economics seeks to integrate environmental and social costs into economic planning and decision-making. This approach recognizes that long-term prosperity cannot be achieved without considering the planet's well-being. Our third trend, locality, is all about reducing the distance between production, use, and reuse. Local sourcing, production, use, and reutilization are becoming more popular as they reduce transportation emissions and support local economies. This trend is about thinking globally but acting locally. Fourth, we have new business models. This trend sees businesses shifting from a linear take, make, dispose model to a sustainably circular model that emphasizes reuse and maintaining materials at their highest value perpetually. These new business models are challenging the status quo and redefining what it means to be a successful business in the 21st century. The shift from linear to circular models is not just a business trend, it's a paradigm shift. It's about creating systems that are restorative and regenerative by design, systems that can sustain themselves in the long run. This trend is set to redefine our economies and our societies. So, there you have it, the first 4 of top 5 sustainability trends for 2024. These trends are not just about being environmentally friendly, they're about creating a sustainable future for all. They're about redefining our economies, our industries, and our lives. And they're about making sure that our planet can sustain us, not just today, but for generations to come. Ready for the game changer in the sustainability top 5 trends? Brace yourselves for the 5th and most impactful trend of 2024. Extended Producer Responsibility, or EPR for short. This isn't just a buzzword. It's a transformative approach that's set to redefine how we manage waste and resources. In an EPR framework, producers take responsibility for the entire business cycle of their products, from design through use to end-of-use collection and reutilization. This means They're incentivized to create products that last longer, are easier to repair, and can be reams or materials recycled effectively at the end of their use. This shift in responsibility is a powerful tool for reducing waste and promoting a circular economy. It's a trend that's already shaking up industries worldwide, from electronics to fashion, and it's only set to grow in the coming years. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The future of sustainable circularity holds more surprises. So what does all this mean for our future? Simply put, these top 5 trends of 2024 herald a sea change in business sustainability. From extended producer responsibility to emerging business models, embracing these trends is pivotal for a greener, more equitable future. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create. Now it's your turn to take action. We'd love to meet and work with you in the Real Circularity Academy. Be sure to subscribe for regular updates on the trends shaping our world. Together, let's shape a sustainable future.